Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you my experience with SKINKRAFT. Actually 15 days experience. It's been only 15 days since I'm using SKINKRAFT products, and yes, many of you asked me on Instagram to review the product and also share my 15 days experience with you, so that you can decide that whether you should place an order or not. So here I am with most requested video, but before sharing my experience with you, let me share with you my customized products. I mean what I get for my skin. Next, how to use them, I mean how I use them, and then I will share my experience with you. So let's begin with the rest of the parts, and then we will come to experience part. So let's get started. So I'm starting with face wash, and this is my skin before doing face wash, and it isn't looking oily and greasy as it usually looked before. So I'm taking my product and I take 1.5 pump of product, apply it on my dry face without making it wet, give it a good massage, and I keep on massaging it until it gets absorbed into my skin, or until I don't feel that my hands are not moving smoothly. Then I take some water in between, and again keep on massaging it at least for 2 to 3 minutes, just like you massage with your facial cream. So I keep on massaging it, give it a good massage to remove the greasiness, oiliness, and to treat my acne, pimples, blackheads, and all oily skin related problems. In voucher I have seen that in the morning you have to do only face wash and moisturizer, and in the evening, I mean at bedtime, you have to do all three products, like first face wash, then 10 minutes break, then spot treatment cream, and then 30 minutes break, and then you have to apply your moisturizer. So this is how you have to use all three products. I mean this is how I have to use these three products. So now I am done with massaging my face, and now I'm washing it off, and you can see the difference in shade of my face and in neck. There's a lots of difference. My skin is glowing. After giving such a good massage to my face, I do not rub my face to make it dry. I just dab it with towel to remove the oil to make it dry, but I usually don't rub it like people do. So this is how I pat my face dry, and this is my skin after face wash, and it's already looking so glowy. Now I'm using my spot treatment cream after 15 minutes, and this much product I take and apply it on my affected area, on my spots, and just give it a massage of 5 to 10 seconds, and then I leave it on my skin. Once I'm done with my spot treatment cream application, I take 30 minutes break as it is suggested in voucher. So I take 30 minutes break, and then I apply my moisturizer. Moisturizer is in spray bottle, so I don't like to spray it directly on my face. How I do it is I take a pump and take the product on my hands, on my palm, apply it on my face, like dab it, not rubbing it, massage it, just dab the product on my face. And this is how I do it. If you don't like my way of applying moisturizer, then you can simply or directly apply it, spray it all over your face, and then just dab the product into the skin until it gets absorbed by skin, and leave it. That is all. That's the sequence of products, and time gap, and how to apply. All these things are given in instructions. When we talk about overall package, the color is really good, and personally I like blue shade a lot. That's why I like the shade. Next, what I like is its packaging. I mean, you got such a beautiful box, then you get this beautiful bag also to carry your SKINKRAFT products, like so. And this is really cute. I mean, I liked it a lot. So packaging is really good, shade is really pretty, and till now it is working on my skin. Further I can't say, but yes, after 15 more days I will again give you a follow-up video. As you can see right now, my skin is something like this. I'm not having any makeup, so right now I'm here with zero makeup. About my experience, I will tell you one by one, I mean product by product. Okay, so let's start with the face wash, and its quantity is 60 ml. But yes, it does work on my face, on my skin. Usually what happened earlier, that no matter how strong face wash or face soap I used, but after 4 hours, or maximum after 4 hours, or minimum after 2 hours, my skin start producing oil, and I can feel oil and greasiness all over my face, which I never liked. I mean never ever liked, and I feel need to wash my face again and again. But since I'm using this face wash, the experience is really amazing. I mean, I don't feel to wash my face again and again. It won't feel any greasy or oily on my face, and it make my face refreshed throughout the day. I mean, throughout the day, in such a summer season, in such a hot and humid season, my skin doesn't feel to wash it again and again, doesn't need face wash and any other wash. It's just calm. It's so, refreshing. It feels so smooth, and that's why I like this face wash most. I'm not sure that I would continue with rest of the product, but yes, definitely I will continue with this face wash because it suits my oily, acne prone skin best. I mean best. Since the day I start using this face wash, I'm getting less acne, less pimples. My black heads and white heads has reduced a lot. I mean, I think they are now 50% left only. Yeah, only 50% are left. I mean, overall it just suits my skin, it work on my skin, and my acne, my pimples, my bumps, white heads and black heads, oiliness and greasiness has reduced a lot. I mean, I just love this product. Okay, now talking about what I don't like about this face wash is its quantity. Its quantity is really less. For me, I will continue with this product because it's working amazing on my skin. To this I will give 10 out of 10. Now coming to next product, Advanced Acne and Intense Scar Defense Cream Acne Control, and its quantity is 30 gram. It is mentioned that it has to applied on spots only. Like I have lots of spots, you can see here. I have small, somewhere I have dark spots, somewhere I have small and light spots, brown spots, black spots, so you can see. Okay, what I liked about this product is you need very less quantity. I mean, one drop of this product covers good area, and that's why I like it, that you need very little quantity to cover your full face, and this is what I like the most. Now I haven't seen any visible difference on my spots, and that's why I'm not sure about this product, but I hope it will work on my skin. Now coming to third product is Moisturizer, Barrier Revitalizing Lotion Moisturizer. Its quantity is 40 ml, and about this moisturizer, what I like the most is it's in water form. I mean, you have to spray it all over your face, it get absorbed into your skin quickly. I mean, you don't have to wait for your skin to get it absorbed into your skin, it quickly get absorbed. Second goody point of this moisturizer is it's make my skin feel smooth. My skin doesn't feel heavy, it get absorbed into my skin quickly and without making it greasy, heavy. It gives my skin matte finish, and after application of this moisturizer, I have noticed kind of brightness and glow on my skin that I really like. So among all three products, like face wash and this scar treatment cream and moisturizer, and my liked list among these three products, face wash is on the top, like 10 out of 10. Second is moisturizer, 9 out of 10. And this cream, the spot treatment cream, right now I can't say, as I already told you that I'm not sure that it's working or not. but okay, let's give it just some time, because these all products are chemical free, SLS free, parabens free, and not tested on animals, and they all are dermatologically tested. So okay, let's wait, let's give our skin some time. So I'm also giving my skin enough time. You know, it's not just a rocket science that you will get glowing and smooth and bright and healthy skin quickly. You have to wait, keep patience, because going with right product and getting the right result needs time. Now, how can you get your SKINKRAFT product? If you want to buy, if your skin is oily, acne prone, and if you are thinking to give it a try, then from my side, it's a green flag. I mean, हरी झंडी दिखा रही हूँ. You can go to their website www.skincraft.com. The first page that will appear in front of you is a questionnaire that will ask you that whether you are looking for a skin product or hair product. You have to click on skin option, and then a questionnaire will appear. You have to answer to certain questions regarding your skin, that whether your skin is oily, hydrated, dull, this and that. I mean, lots of questions they will ask you regarding your skin. Once you answer the questionnaire, they will suggest you your customized product. If you wanna buy, then you can go to purchase option. There you will see two options to buy the products. First one is 1 month subscription that retails you 1499, and if you go for 6 month subscription, then it will retain you 999 rupees. I mean, around 1000 rupees per month. So it's up to you. I bought 1 month subscription because that time I wasn't sure that it will suit me or not, and I am a kind of person who can't take 6 month subscription risk with a strange product to whom I don't know, which I never used on my skin. But now I'm thinking to take 6 month subscription plan. So from my side, it's a good brand. You can also give it a try. Order your customized product, get your customized product, and get your healthy skin, but with lots of patience. And that is all. If you still have any query, any suggestion, or anything you wanted to know about this, then leave your query in the comment section, and I will surely reply back to you as I usually do. You can leave your usual skin queries and hair queries in comment. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care, have a very nice day. Bye bye.